A cracked chimney crown letting water in can seriously mess up your home with leaks and damage, so fixing it fast with waterproof sealant is key. Okay, so first things first. You gotta clean the chimney crown real good before putting on any sealant. Dirt or loose pieces will just make the fix fail faster. Next, pick a high-quality waterproof sealant made for masonry. That stuff sticks better and lasts longer. When you apply it, make sure to cover the whole cracked area evenly, like you want 0 spots open for water to sneak through. It's smart to do this job on a dry day, so the sealant can cure properly without moisture messing things up. If the crack is kinda big, you might want to fill it with a patching compound before sealing, so the sealant isn't just sitting on a hollow gap. Keep an eye on it every year or so. Reapply the sealant if you see any wear or fresh cracks starting. Also, check your chimney flashing and gutters nearby, because if those are bad, water's gonna keep causing problems no matter how well you seal the crown. Finally, if it feels like too much or the damage is pretty bad, calling in a pro chimney repair expert could save you a ton of headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with chimney crown repairs is ignoring small cracks until they get huge, letting water really wreck the structure, to fix tiny cracks right away with good sealant. Another common slip-up is using regular caulk or paint instead of a proper waterproof masonry sealant, which just peels off when exposed to weather. Always go for sealant designed for outdoor chimney use. Lastly, some folks forget to prep the surface properly by cleaning and drying it first, so the sealant won't stick well and fails quickly. Make sure it's spotless and dry before you start sealing. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors for chimney and home repairs without all the stress. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real customers looking for their services, making it easier to get work done and keep everyone happy.